This is a moth, the long-tailed skipper moth, and she's here not to eat, but she's here to lay her eggs on my greens. I don't think so, baby. This is a hummingbird moth, and she is beautiful. If you could see her, she's very small. Yeah, many will think she's a hummingbird, but this is the moth. Many gardeners look for ways to attract the hummingbird moth to their garden simply because what she does in the spring, she helps pollinate our plants. Yes, that's what she does. And many people love to have her. I welcome her. So, of course, the way you attract hummingbird moths to your garden, as well as hummingbirds, is plant flowers. Yes, just have a lot of flowers. She will come, and this is her. If you miss her, she's so tiny. Now, this is something you may think or mistake it for bird poop, right? That's what it looks like, but it moves, y'all. It moves. So this is the caterpillar of a giant swallowtail. That's who that is. And yes, she is destructive. We must keep her away. She loves citrus. So if you see something on your lemon tree, lime tree, orange tree that looks like bird poop, stay in there for a second. Because 9 out of 10 it will move, and if it moves, you know this is a caterpillar, and it transformed into a giant swallowtail. That's who she is. But on her way to transformation, she will eat your leaves on your citrus trees. So yeah, beware. This is the time you will see them.